this is the second expression for flux linkage occur in duct portion. Okay, then first find out MMF acting across duct, that is IP into TP. Then same formula for permanence is equal to P is equal to mu into A upon L. Then in which put the values of A and L. Then mu is equal to put mu 0, that is we have to consider dielectric medium, that is relative permeability value is 1, that is mu into, then area is L0 upon LC. LC, that is axial height of the winding, into A, that is the area of duct portion, that is the we have to consider this is the core. Okay, and this is the distance between two core is A, that is A, this is the A. Okay, then same formula for flux is equal to MMF upon reluctance, but 1 upon reluctance is equal to P, that is permanence is reciprocal of reluctance, and we have to find out flux in duct portion, that is MMF of duct portion is already here, then permanence of duct already here, then the MMF of duct is calculated here, that is IP into TP, then permanence of duct is calculated here, mu 0 into L0 LC upon A. Okay, now we have to find out phi 0, that is flux in duct portion. Phi 0 is equal to IP into TP into mu 0 into L0 upon LC into A. Then phi 0 is equal to mu 0 IP TP into L0 LC into A. Now this is called as equation number 4. That is flux occur in duct portion. That is, this is the core and flux occur in duct portion. Okay. Now this is the expression for flux occur in duct portion. Okay. Now also in which we have to find out condition. Okay. Condition is very important. Okay. Now this is the core. Okay. Iron core, and this is the distance A. Okay. Then in which condition first is half of the duct flux. That means this is the half section. This half section, and this is half section. That is half section of duct portion and half section of duct portion linked with each of the winding. That means this half section is linked with primary winding and secondary winding, and this half portion linked with primary and secondary winding. That means this half section linked with primary and secondary winding, this half section linking with primary and secondary winding. Okay, now we have to consider only half section, because we have to consider this half section, and this half section is similar to the another half section. Okay, then we have to consider half section, that is half section of duct portion. Okay, then in which phi 0 is equal to half portion of flux in duct, that is 1 by 2 into mu 0 IP into TP into L0 upon LC into A. म्हणजे मला एवढं सांगायचं की हा जो हाफ सेक्शन आहे 1 by 2 A हा सेम असणार आहे अनदर हाफ सेक्शनला, म्हणून मी we have to calculate half section, because this is for half section and also same formula for another half section. Okay, then also in which this half section of flux is linked with number of turns TP. Okay, that means phi 0 is equal to 1 by 2 mu 0 into IP into TP into L0 upon LC into A, and this half of the duct flux linked with primary winding, because we have to consider primary winding, that is TP. Then this half of duct flux linked with TP, that means phi 0, that is the phi 0 is linked with number of turns, that is psi 0 is equal to phi 0 into TP. Then but psi 0 is equal to the value of phi 0 is present. Okay, this is the value of phi 0 is put here. That means this is the value of phi 0. Okay, then into number of turns TP, because we have to consider primary one, that is TP. Okay, then 1 by 2 as it is, mu 0 as it is, IP as it is, TP into TP, that is TP square. Okay, then into L0 upon LC into A. Now this is the flux link in duct portion with number of turns. Okay, now this is the expression for flux link in duct portion, and this is the flux in duct portion, and this flux linked with number of turns, and this number of turns are is present, and this is expression for flux link in duct portion with number of turns. Okay, now this is the formula of phi 0. Now this is the formula of psi. Now this is the expression for flux link in duct portion with the help of number of turns, then in which we have to consider primary turns TP. Okay, then go to the next equation, then in which we have to calculate total flux link in primary wire. This is very important. Then in which we have to calculate psi 0. Okay, in previous page we have to calculate psi 0, and psi 1 means this psi 1 is flux linkage occur in conductor portion, is already mentioned here. Flux linkage in conductor portion. Then previous lecture, yesterday's lecture, we have to calculate flux linkage in conductor portion. This is formula of psi 0, and today's lecture we have to calculate flux link in duct portion. Okay, now this is the flux linkage in duct portion, that is psi 0. Okay, this is the psi 0 value. Okay, and previous lecture we have to calculate value of psi 1. Okay, psi 1 and psi 0 is calculated. Okay, then psi p, that is total flux in primary winding, is equal to flux link in conductor portion plus flux link in duct portion. Okay, then this is the expression for previous lecture we have to find out. Then also today's lecture, in the starting of the equation we have to find out flux link in duct portion. Okay, now both equations are put in. Psi p is equal to psi 1, that is psi 1 means for conductor portion and psi 0 for duct portion. Okay, then both are addition. Then mu 0 taken as a common, that is mu 0 taken as a common. Okay, then IP and TP square common. Okay, IP and TP square common. Also LC taken as a common, that is psi p is equal to mu 0 into IP into TP square upon LC into bracket length of mean term of winding BP upon 3 plus 1 by 2 L0 into A. Now this is the rearranging equation. It is called as equation number 8. Okay, then length of mean turn of primary winding is equal to length of mean turn of secondary winding is equal to length of mean turn of winding is equal to length of duct portion. That means for length same in this concept of flux linkage, that is length of mean turn of primary winding is same as that of length of mean turn of secondary winding, also same as that of length of mean turn, also same as that of length of duct portion. Okay, then put in which put L0 is equal to, we have to consider primary winding. Okay, then put L0 is equal to, we have to consider only primary winding. Then next we have to find out secondary winding. Okay, then put L0 is equal to length of mean turn of primary. That is put L0 is equal to length of mean term of primary. Okay, then in equation number 8, then next equation is psi p is equal to psi 0 into IP into TP square upon LC, then this term as it is. Okay, then plus 1 by 2 put L0 is equal to length of mean turn of winding put into A. Okay. Then psi, next equation for psi p is equal to rearrange equation. Then in which we have to take common length of main turn of primary winding taken as a common, that is mu 0 as it is. Okay. Then this term as it is, but length of term taken as a common because present in both sides. Okay. Then this term get common, that is length of mean turn of primary winding upon LC into Bp upon 3 plus A by 2. This is called as equation number 9. Okay. Then in this equation we have to find out flux link in duct portion with primary turns. In this equation we have to find out flux link with duct portion. Duct portion means symbol A with respect to turns, that is primary turns. That is flux link in duct portion with respect to primary turns. Okay. Then we have to find out next equation is leakage inductance of primary winding. Then we have to calculate leakage inductance. It is L. That is LP. We have to calculate. Okay. Then leakage inductance of primary winding. The formula is LP is equal to psi p upon IP. Then put the values of psi p in this equation. That is put equation number 9 in equation number 2. Then the value of psi p is 1 upon IP into value of psi p is mu 0 into IP into TP square into LMTP upon LC BP upon 3 plus A by 2. Then IP get cancel. Then LP is equal to mu 0 into TP square into length of mean turn of primary winding upon LC into bracket BP upon 3 plus A by 2. This is the leakage inductance of primary winding. Okay. Now this is the expression for leakage inductance of primary winding. That is LP is equal to psi p upon IP. Then in which we have to put value of psi p and then rearrange equation for LP. Okay. Then also in which we have to calculate again, in which we have to calculate leakage inductance. Then again we have to calculate leakage reactance. This leakage reactance of primary winding is given by XP is equal to 2 pi F into LP, and the value of leakage inductance is calculated, that is mu 0. This is the value of LP, that is LP is equal to leakage inductance of primary winding, that is previous equation, that is value of LP is calculated. Then this value of LP is put in this equation, that is LP, that is XP is equal to 2 pi F into LP, that is equation number 12. Then previous number equation is 11. Equation 11 put in equation 12. That means put the values of LP, that is mu 0 into TP square into LMT upon LC into BP upon 3 plus A by 2. Then in which we have to calculate XP. Then this is for leakage reactance of primary winding, that is leakage reactance of, this is for primary winding. Then this is for leakage reactance of secondary winding. म्हणजे XP is equal to for leakage reactance of primary winding and XS, that is leakage reactance of secondary winding, that is primary turns, that is TP. Then TS means secondary turns, TS. Then BP and BS, that is this is the formula of XP and XS, that is leakage reactance of primary winding and secondary winding. Okay. Then also this leakage reactance of secondary winding, that is this is the leakage reactance of secondary winding is referred to primary winding. That means leakage reactance of secondary winding, that is XS, is referred to primary winding, that is primary winding is means TP. Then X dash for leakage reactance of secondary winding is referred to primary winding, that is X into Tp upon Ts square. This is the formula used in transformer. Okay. Then equivalent circuit of transformer, that is X S dash is equal to Xs into Tp upon Ts square. Then in this equation we have to put the values of X. That is equation number 13. The value of X is put here. Then X dash is equal to 2 pi f mu 0 Ts. That is 2 pi f into mu 0 Ts square into Lmt upon Lc into Bs upon 3 plus A by 2 and Tp square and Ts square. Okay. Then this then put the values of X. Yes, that is X's value put here. Okay, that is twice pi f into mu 0 into Ts square into Lmt upon Lc into Bs upon 3 plus A by 2 into Tp upon Ts square. Then Ts square get cancelled. Then X S dash is equal to 2 pi f into mu 0 into length of mean turn of upon Lc into Tp square into Bs upon 3 plus A by 2 into equation number 15. This is the leakage reactance of secondary winding is referred to primary winding. That is Xs dash is equal to Xs into Tp square upon Ts square, in which we have to put the value of X. Yes. Then also in this equation we have to calculate total reactance of transformer referred to primary side. That is, this is the formula of total reactance of transformer, because in this equation we have to refer primary winding. Okay. Then Xp is equal to, this is primary winding, and referred to secondary winding is referred to primary winding. That is Xp is equal to Xp plus Xs dash. Then put the values of Xs dash. That is equation number Xs dash put here. Then also we have to calculate the value of Xp. That is equation number 13. That is equation number 13. The value of equation number 13. That is this is the value of Xp. That is 2 pi f into mu 0 into Tp square into length of mean turn of upon Lc Bp upon 3 plus A by 2. This value put here. Okay. That is the value of Xp put here. Then value of Xs put here. Okay. Then put here, and also the value of Xp put here. Okay. Then this is the value of Xp. This is the value of Xs dash. That is, this is the value of Xp. This is the value of Xs dash. That is Xp is equal to 2 pi f into mu 0 Tp square into Lmt upon Lc Bp upon 3 plus A by 2 plus 2 pi f into mu 0 into length of mean turn upon Lc into bracket Bs upon 3 plus A by 2 into Tp square. Okay. Then next equation is, then in which we have to take common, that is 2 pi. This is taken as a common, that is 2 pi f mu 0 and Tp square also taken as a common. Also this term get taken as a common, that is length of mean turn. Okay. This whole terms get common. Then in which then take the addition of this term and this term. Okay. Then next equation is, okay. Then next term equation is 2 pi f into mu 0 into Tp square Lmt upon Lc plus Bp upon 3 plus A by 2 plus A by 2 plus Bs upon 3. Then Xp is equal to 2 pi f into mu 0 Tp square into Lmt upon Lc plus, then take addition of both, that is twice A upon 2 to get cancelled. Then Xp is equal to 2 pi f into mu 0 into Tp square into Lmt upon Lc plus A plus Bp upon 3 plus Bs upon 3 ohm. This is the equation number 70. Then also in which we have to calculate per unit reactance. The formula of per unit reactance is given by, that is epsilon x, that is per unit reactance epsilon x is equal to Ip upon Vp into Xp. Okay, then put the values of Xp here. Okay, then that is equation number 17 put in equation number 18. Okay, then in which Ip upon Vp as it is into the value of Xp is here, that is 2 pi f into mu 0 into Tp square LMT upon LC plus F as it is plus Bp upon 3 plus Bs upon 3. Then epsilon x is equal to twice pi f into mu 0. Okay, then 2 pi f into mu 0, then Tp into Tp square means Tp into Tp. Okay, then Tp is here and another Tp is go to the reciprocal of Vp, that is this is the Tp into Tp, that is Tp square. Okay, into LMT upon LC plus A plus Bp upon 3 plus Bs upon 3. Then Ip into Tp, that is ampere turns. Okay, then it is equal to, okay, Ip into Tp, that is put 80, that is Ip into Tp put 80 and Vp upon Ip put 80, that is voltage per turn. That is epsilon x is equal to 2 pi into f into mu 0 into ampere turns upon 80 into LMT upon LC into A plus Bp upon 3 plus Bs upon 3. Now this is the expression for per unit reactance. Now in flux linkage of conductor portion and flux linkage of depth portion, both are depend to each other. In flux linkage of duct portion, in which first calculate flux link in duct portion, then this flux linking duct portion is linked with winding, then calculate leakage inductance, then calculate leakage reactance, then calculate per unit reactance. Now this is the expression for flux linkage in duct portion, and this expression of the flux linkage in duct portion is depends on flux linkage in conductor portion. Then in which we have to calculate flux linkage, that is psi p is equal to psi 1, that is psi 1 indicates for flux linkage in conductor portion and psi 0 indicates for flux linkage in duct portion. Okay, then also we have to consider distribution transformer, and in case of distribution transformer have smaller voltage regulation and also leakage reactance small, means in distribution transformer voltage regulation also small and leakage reactance is also small. But in case of LV winding and HV winding, we have to consider this is the core of the transformer. Okay, then this is the duct portion, that is gap between two core. Okay, then this is the LV winding and also surrounding HV winding. Okay, then also this is similar for LV winding and HV winding. Okay, now this is the half section, and this half section is of the duct portion, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is twice A by 2. Okay, 2 to get cancelled. This is the total duct portion, and this half of the duct portion is linked to the another link portion, that is half of the duct portion is linked to the another half of the duct portion, that is called as total duct portion in transformer. Okay, then in which we have to calculate half section, and this half section also similar to the another half section. Okay, then next equation for half section is, okay, then we have to consider total leakage reactance of each group for half section. Okay, then in which we have to calculate, this is the refer to primary winding, that is this is the we have to find out equation. Then we have to consider refer to primary winding, that is xp1 is equal to 2 pi f into mu 0 into Tp square upon 2. into LMT upon LC A plus BP plus base upon 6, because in which we have to consider half section. Okay, then also this half section of the XP, that is we have to consider this is primary winding. Okay, now this is core and this is for XP1 and this is for XP2 and also surrounding for XP2 and also surrounding for XP2. Then XP1 and XP1, that is 2 into XP1, that is XP is equal to 2 into XP1, that is this XP1 plus this XP1 plus, okay, that is XP1 plus and XP1, that is XP1, that is 2 into XP1, or this is for 1, this is for second. Okay. Then put XP is equal to 2 into XP1, then put the values of XP1 here. Okay, then XP is equal to 2 into this value as it is, that is 2 into bracket 2 pi F into mu 0 into TP square upon 2 into LMT upon LC into A plus BP plus BS upon 6. Then 2 is multiplied here, that is 2 into 2, 4. Then TP square upon 2, that is 4, that is 2 square is 4. Then 4 get cancel. Then pi into F into mu 0 into TP square into LMT upon LC A plus BP plus BS upon 6. Now this is the total leakage reactance referred to primary winding. Okay. Now in which this is very important expression for to find out leakage reactance of